guys selling Girl Scout cookies?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're here for the tour. Okay. Well, it's a good time to come because we have just upgraded a ton of stuff. So we're gonna do a little behind the scenes of our tiny little office. Matthew editing, one of our amazing editors, responsible for all the very funny stuff that you all laugh at. But this right here is, you're seeing behind the scenes. The hub of what we do, the videos, comes from this beautiful mechanism called the Elgato prompter. And a lot of what we read from, a lot of the live streams are all on this amazing machine that's connected to this camera, which is connected to a monitor. We'll bring you back around and show you this in a second, but I'm very excited because we got a lot of upgrades today, including this beautiful lens, which you'll be able to see in just a second. We're shooting on a different camera right now. We got a brand new microphone and microphone arm. We got a brand new light right here. And what I'm super excited about is upgrading to the Sony A7V. Very, very excited for this. 2 USB-C slots, 2 memory card slots, which I'm extremely excited about. And this entire whole mechanism comes out so that you can see the viewfinder from anywhere, and I can flip it around. It's just an incredible camera. Very excited to get this hooked up so that we can make even better content. But come back around here so that you can see what's going on. A lot of what you see on the screen looks like the main content piece, which we're always looking at up here in this little viewfinder to see what the shot looks like. So every time it's either me or Graham or someone shooting right here, this is what you're seeing. And of course, you walked in, there's not a lot of space, but there's a lot of smoke and mirrors and magic behind this. As you can see, we've got nice wood slats, nice RGB lights on the floor, and here are all of our upgrades. Let's go through a couple of them. This, I'm extremely excited for. This is a brand new Shure 7MB Plus microphone with active noise canceling, and this is the Elgato mic arm, and look how smooth this is. I can move it out of the way easily like that, bring it here. It's gonna, if anyone was watching the live stream, you know my microphone cut out a couple times. We had this really janky mechanism that can only basically go one way, one spring way. I can't move it around. It's clunky, there's no way to hide the cords. It's just not as an intuitive setup. So now we've got this amazing thing right here that can glide. I can move it up and down any way I want. Super, oh man, it's just gonna be super nice. The other upgrade we got was this massive light. We can control a lot more of a specific point. It's like the sun, yeah. It's like we can go, this is just 10%, but we can go all the way down to even 2 or 1%. Isn't that incredible? This is called the Amaran circular light or something like that. They make them in white and black. I like this one. It mounts to the desk. Everything is really easy for us to kind of just set up and start doing things fast. Start recording videos for you all, tutorials, everything we're doing. We want to do it really fast. We can control other lights. This is what we had before over on your desk, on Graham's desk, was the little tiny kind of light. But we upgraded to this so that we can get a lot more, a lot more diffused light over what we're doing. And this is pretty much it. This is the central hub base. We have some other things, some little odds and ends on the desk that we like to take and use. I gotta move the monitor out of the way so that I can get the shot here, so that we can get our little water reflecting on the side of the MacBook right here, which is what we want. So we got to get the monitor out of the way so that way the whole shot can look clean, which I think this is going to look really, really nice moving forward for the shot because we haven't tested this mic yet. Another thing we use is the Smallrig, which is diffused through these little tiny slits, and it kind of creates a fake window pane. So if anybody's been watching, we like to use this little diffused light in the background, which looks really nice in the shot. It kind of looks like it's golden hour coming through a window, but we're totally recreating that. That's completely fake. And then we have them marked with little gaff pieces that just need to be generally where they are. Yeah, there we go, there we go. And then as you can see, it appears on the left side of the plant. And then over here, if we're looking at the actual shot, that's what appears behind me. Totally fake, but it looks real. It looks like it's actually coming from a real camera, which is really, really cool. And now we can do two different kinds of sets. I can do one with the microphone here. I can do one with the microphone right here. And just, this is very pleasing to like be able to do that so fast. I'm like excited for the next live stream to do.
This handheld shot looks fantastic.
It looks really good?
Yeah.
Well, that's another thing we didn't talk about, which is the ND filters, the polarizing filters that are on these that allow us to reduce the amount of reflection. There's one on this camera right here, and there's one on this camera right here, since you're actually seeing this through a big glass frame that reflects things as I'm reading it, or if it's a live stream and I'm demoing Kittl, these polarizing filters diffuse the light against it so that you can't see any reflection, which is really, really nice. So that's all the magic to what we do. Everything else is the amazing editors that do all of the work. Our plaque? Of course we have the 100,000 subscriber Kittl plaque in the background. And with your all's help, we'll be at 1 million one day, and that'll be gold instead of silver. So we'll take that one and put it somewhere else and put the gold one there. So that's the plan. You all can help us get there. You all are the reason that we are making upgrades like this, because you are subscribing to Kittl. You're actually upgrading and subscribing in Kittl, using it, giving us feedback, making the product better, allowing us to upgrade our studio so that we give you the best customer service, the best tutorials, the best user experience that we can possibly give you. So if anybody is interested and wants the details of any of this kind of stuff, we have a Notion put together where we put links to all of this stuff. We use a variety of sites between B&H and Amazon and Sony and Elgato. We use all of them to get these gear pieces. And if you want to check them out, all the links are there for you in the Notion. Please subscribe. If you want more behind the scenes stuff like this, or just kind of silly off the cuff stuff, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Break.